Saddam Hussein was a bad guy, right? He was a bad guy, really bad guy. But you know what he did well? He killed terrorists. He did that so good. They didn't read him the rights. They didn't talk. They were a terrorist. It was over.
يعني ما نصعد نرتب من الله دولة، الدولة المعراوية وبتاع.